Hobby Potter Life friends. Welcome to the project of the month for March. We have been doing January and February. If you're new, head over to announcements and you'll be able to find the introduction and the PDF. I'll announce the project here and the PDF will be down below. I don't even know what that is yet because I haven't made it yet. And what we're going to do is choose a, which ones are these? Okay, this is techniques. Okay, forms. We are going to choose a form that we're going to do together and then a design technique that we're going to be able to put on it. And some of these could be totally random. It might be a design technique you're used to doing on something else. So hopefully it brings a lot of creativity. If you're new, there'll be resources for you to learn how to make the basic forms. If you're seasoned and you've done this before, I hope you look at this as a way to expand yourself. Don't do something you've already done before. Do something a little bit different so that you can get the creative juices flowing. But let's see what kind of form we get to work on this month. Hope it's something fun. Please don't be a goblet. I just don't feel like doing that. I know that's in there. Well, maybe I'll never draw it. That's it. I shouldn't have told you that. Oh my! I don't want to draw. I don't want to make one. I'm not ready to go on my wheel yet. A goblet. We're going to make a goblet. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm blushing because I can't believe I said that. All right, fine. We're going to do a goblet. What are we going to do with the goblet? Oh, no. Oh, okay. You know, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go for it, even though I don't feel like it. I might like the design technique, so that might inspire me. Okay. All right. I got an idea of what I'm going to do. But this one is wax resist. And layering colors of underglaze. I have to find a video on that, and if I can't find a video on that, I might actually make one real quick on what I meant when I wrote this out. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do this month. Did I just throw it back in there? We're gonna make a goblet. I mean, you know, everybody has their loves, right? Everybody has their things that they don't love. And I'm going to be doing it though, because you know what? Maybe I will find something I love about it. And here we go. All right, a goblet, and we're going to do wax resist with layering underglazes. So hope you guys enjoy and hope I can find the resources for that technique. I'm not exactly sure. I don't know if I've ever seen one. So anyway, let's get started. Hope you guys join me and we'll see what you guys come up with as well.